If you're looking for luxury, dependability, and fuel economy, this is it. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2021 Nissan Altima SL. Loaded with it all. Super nice, just like new. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, rear park assist sensors, chrome bumper protector, backup camera, rear spoiler. 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Continental tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers, and on the SL you get rear air vents and dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's brilliant silver with charcoal leather interior, chrome door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, fog lights, forward collision sensor in the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Power moonroof, leather bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plate, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power trunk release. Incredible Bose sound system. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, fog light controls, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 26,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, even a heated steering wheel. More USB ports, an auxiliary audio jack, a 12-volt outlet, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start and power trunk release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Nissan Altima SL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.